Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix attention required on uh, Face ID. For example, if you try to change the setting for the Face ID and it is says that attention required for Face ID. So if you want to change this setting, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for Face ID and passcode. And here you have to simply provide your passcode. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn off this toggle. So here, if you click on that, you will be asked requiring attention, make Face ID more secure. So which means, if you turn this toggle on, it will add an additional security to your iPhone, because it will not turn your screen on or your lock on when you are not attentive to your iPhone, which means if your face is straight to the depth camera, it will unlock your phone, otherwise it will not unlock your phone. So if you turn this off, your iPhone will automatically unlock even with your eyes open, as you can see. So if you turn this off or you turn this off, here is written, if you turn this off, Face ID will unlock your iPhone even if your eyes are not clearly open and looking at the screen, which means if you want to open your ID or face your lock on your iPhone without any attention, so what you have to do, you have to simply compromise between your security. So you have to simply turn this toggle off and your iPhone will be unlocked as quickly as possible. But due to security reasons, I will recommend you to turn this on, because this will secure your iPhone and it will not unlock other than your Face ID. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.